Hello everybody. Got a item here from CenturyLink, or yeah, Century Products it's actually called. And they're a B&N company, it says on the paperwork here. But this here is a thermostat. It's made for like plant mats and stuff like that to control the temperature on them, or fish aquariums. And I needed something to control my salamander in my shop here, and salamander ain't very big. And I thought maybe I would try this. You're only supposed to use it on things up to 1,000 watts. So I'm not sure where my salamander is. I didn't look on it. But it's been working good on it. So I wanted to show everybody. It's got a cord here that plugs into the power, and you got this one I got running to my salamander. And you got a little thermostat here that you can hang up or whatever. Unless you got a fish tank you're going to use it on, you can stick it on the side of it. But I've been just hanging it up on the wall. You got the heating up and the heating down, and you can put it on Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you want to set the temperature, hold that down until it starts blinking, and we'll turn it up to 70. And my heater should be kicking on here as soon as it hits 68. And it'll warm it back up to 70 degrees. This here's been working really good, and it was only about $20 off of eBay. Now, as you can see, my salamander is kicked on. The temp should start going back up here in a minute. And as you can see, it kicked off there. I'll turn the switch off so it don't kick back on. But this has been working really good at keeping the temperature right around 70 degrees in my shop. So I highly recommend it if you got something small like this to run. You can't use it on like electric heaters that's using over 1,000 watts. So you gotta watch what you're using it for, or try to search for something that's a little bit bigger in this style. But great product. I'll put a link down below where you can get it. And don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.